Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after watching Sprint, my husband said something which shocked me, which is he said this season for Formula 1 will be boring, but for me the race was actually really good. So I thought why not to share with you guys. What do you think? Is the sprint qualifying and race is good enough for you, or you feel quite boring? Because for me it was a really wholesome to watch all 19 laps. Till 19 laps it was furious and curious. I had seen Sir Hamilton fighting on the top, the best car, but the rookie driver, or I don't know what happened to Kimi's car, and he suddenly in both the starts, Kimi was stuck, or his car battery is not getting up, or just like me, he does not get his car does not get his coffee. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. And somehow same happened with the Max's car. He just watched everyone go around him and not able to do anything there. So that happened. And then from the start, as Russell mentioned, Hamilton used all his 20 years of experience there and fighting for the top, fighting for leading the race. He led the race couple of lapses too, but good fighting there. Then once they're done, then Kimi started fighting for his position, and we saw some good overtakes over there as well. Then Lindblad suddenly spinned 360-degree, although we did not get any yellow flag or safety car there. But soon enough, after Ferrari fighting with each other, soon enough, in 13th lap, Nico's car get stopped, and Nico's engine just stopped, and we have a safety car deployed. So couple of laps behind safety car, we saw a huge pit lane chaos there. After so long, I saw best pit lane stop. Every team had a stick pit stop, so good chaos. Everyone is keep talking about Kimi's penalty served there, and he was behind and he finished fifth anyways. Like that's the point, right? It's not like that behind or something. But Sir Lewis also wait, right? Everyone wait. Whoever comes second, all teams are doing stick pit stops because of the safety cars. So everyone lose time. But it's interesting to watch chaos to watch for 2 laps. Then rolling start happened, and of course Russell did the best, but I saw Lewis predicted that before, but not Leclerc. So Leclerc disappointed me a little. He can do better, I guess. If Sir Lewis is fighting in that car, he also has that experience. Not that much, but he has the experience with this team and car, so he can do much better. Kimi still overtaking Sir Hamilton overtake Lando. So till the end, the race was not ended, and it was really fun to watch. If Mercedes and Red Bull had the same problem on the start, this race is really good for me, like good enough for me. Let me know if the race is good enough for you guys or not in the comment below. Let's watch qualifying together, and we'll meet tomorrow.